Hey yo guys, this is your boy Pitula and we're back with another video. I'll be doing a Sunday market breakdown so that we can prepare for the week ahead. So already you see this beautiful support over there. So now with this support you can just clone it and just gonna put it over there. So now already we have certain range of which most likely the market might start pushing back to that high, because now as you can see we've been correcting for almost the whole year. So now looking at this, obviously we're gonna have to look for a proper breakout and all of that. So now if you take this high, put it like that, boom, then that's proper. You can just take this one and then we put it over there. So now over here we see that the market has been in a bearish trend here with a series of lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, and also we created a lower low which is lower than this one. So now the trick part is, if we do break above this trend line and potentially retest and push up to take out this high, then it confirms that the direction overall has changed on Nasdaq, as the market might start going bullish, and it is likely possible that the market might break above its previous high. It's something that may happen. We might break above that previous high. So now let's dive in deeper to a smaller time frame to see exactly what's happening and if we do need to adjust our levels or what. So now, okay, see that still beautiful over there. And then okay, when you take this one, put it over there. Yeah, you can just put this on over like this. So yeah, now that's proper. Then you can just adjust this on a bit. So now you see that we got this beautiful trend to the downside, and we finally got to this beautiful strong support area. And looking at how we also came to this level, we came creating a series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then we've also taken the lower low, of which is now equal lows somewhere approaching. And now we finally took out the previous lower high, of which we're now going to create potentially a higher high, which is higher than this one, and then we're going to pull back to create a lower high, a higher low, and then push up to create another higher high. So basically it's still early, but some people already, I'm sure they're down there with their snipers and stuff. Because for me, I believe that we still bearish as long as we're still inside this trend line. We're still bearish, but obviously we can see some buys and stuff. So now we're just gonna have to cater for this level up here, as this is a very strong sensitive area. And as you can see that the market literally just broke above here. So potentially for this coming week, I can explain also this one. Okay. So now looking at this, you see that we also had some rejection here. We broke below. We came back to retest. Let me just use this. Over this area, we had this beautiful support, but it didn't push up, and then we broke below mountain, and then we've been selling ever since. So potentially this area, the market has to push to this level. We could potentially push to this level, for this week, then come back to test this area, and then finally push up to challenge this diagonal resisting trend line from a higher time frame. Remember, we got this trend line from the daily time frame. So now we're here on a forward time frame. So we're just gonna focus more on this move right here. So now another thing is, if the market does break below this area, we just share potentially likely for selling opportunities to that area. So for now, we know we're just gonna play around this area for this week. Just gonna play around this area for this week. So yeah, so like as I was saying, we're just gonna have to see what's really gonna happen around these areas for this coming week. Like bear in mind, we're still only 4 hour time frame. We never went to an hourly because everything just makes sense from this time frame that we had. That okay, potentially let's go back to for a daily time frame. Let's go back to daily time frame. You see, as you can see, also the bullish momentum is very strong, guys. The bullish momentum is very strong, and also we have very strong level over there. It's the one that we're catering for only for our time frame. So now we're just gonna have to see what's gonna happen at about these areas. But we do know that if we do break above, then most likely the market is now gonna change direction from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. I just want to show you something like how the market basically went from a bullish market to a bearish market. So as you can see here, before this overall reversal, the market was creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we failed to take out the higher high, and that resulted in us taking the higher low, and we took out this one and this one, creating a lower low which is lower than this one, and then created a lower high which is a high but lower than this one, and then created this one, and then that's how the market basically shifted into a downtrend. So basically what we can say is, in the market that we at, we still right about this area. We still right about this area. Even the result, like it's almost the same. It's almost the same, guys. It's almost the same. So this is all we have for Nasdaq this week. My laptop is so slow, guys. Okay, now what's this? I'll show you something. I'll show you something. So now if we take that and mirror it, boom, just like that. So it's just to show you basically how the market might, approach like the shift from a bearish market to an uptrend. As you can see, we're still right about these areas. So potentially if we do gain strong momentum, so keep on pushing until we take out this high, and then you're gonna pull back to create a higher low, then push up to create a higher high, higher low, higher high. Then overall the market could have changed from this bearish movement to a bullish movement. Obviously for now we're still inside this bearish market, and it's possible that we may still play around, but as soon as we break above, take out this high, pull back to create, this is the best place that we could definitely look for buys, because now we know that the market overall has taken out the previous high, and also it has broken out of the bearish resistance trend line, confirming that okay, now we may start going bullish. Obviously from this high we have to take it out to create another higher high from this higher low. So that's what we have. Please do hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you on another video, guys.